everyone, welcome back to again my YouTube channels. Today the front of you again I have come to taking some strategy for improving of English speaking, because many of the students are telling to me, sir, please you tell to me more any strategy for making easiest of English speaking. In my each video I am coming to tell of the same matter. I think the student and the persons who may be watching of my each video really and perfectly those persons speaking may be improving with very definitely. Those students may not be taking of any issues while speaking and in practicing of anything, as I have told to manner for speaking, for improving to every skills the refer of English speaking. Really those all persons skills may be improving. Then today through this video I am wanting to tell some example for our English speaking. You know that when we sit the front of any light and we see everything, when we live in night times, at that moment we think, oh, here is very darkness, and when there is coming to very darkness and when we are finding of any lightness, then what shall I have to do? I shall have to burn off any lamp. We shall have to burn off any light and all. Then light comes. When you live in darkness, at that moment you think of that. You are searching of that for finding of any lightness. Then just you started to think of that. I shall have to burn off any electric light. So either I shall have to burn off any oil lights. And you burn that. Just like that, I am telling of you, if you are thinking of that, I have lack of English, then which you have lack in your mind, which you have lack in your heart, that you search out. If you search out of that, then really lack of that light, also English will be filled in your mind, and within few days you will start to speak to very nice with each another. There are so many examples for improving of our speaking, but we are not most focusing on that. That's why our English is not improving in this modern time. I am telling you, you have not need to fear while speaking. If you fear, then really you will not be able to control of anything in your mind. If you are wanting to speak of any topics, any contents you have in your mind, and if you are wanting to just release from your mind, and if you have fear, then that fear will not allow of you for speaking of that content which content you are wanting to define the front of any persons. And why that fear is not allowing of you? What is the reason? Because in your heart, anywhere there is one secret file. In that file there has hidden very big scare. A scare is working like of any ghost. As we are understanding of any ghost, if I shall go to the front of any ghost, the ghost will not allow to me for any good working, and the ghost, if the ghost will see to me, then the ghost will kill to me. There is not matter like that, as we are thinking about of the ghost and all. If we are fearing, then really you will not be able to overcome from that fear. And if you are wanting to overcome from that fear, then you will have to apply one things in your life. From which things you are fearing, on that things you try to war almost time. In that things, really you will be success. Actually also in my life, like this condition was going. And when I was thinking of that, I shall have to speak to very exactly with everybody, with every person. Just like that, also the fear was sitting in my mind, and we did not able to speak of anything in English. Then I started to think in the mind. Actually, from years is coming of this type of the problems. From years is coming of this type of the circumstance. Due to that, I am unable to speak anything in English. I think when you sleep and when you live to very relaxed mind, at that moment most of the contents may be coming. At that moment also you may be realizing of this matter, I can speak to very well of anything. It is sure. Also, I accept of this matter. Also, like this was happening to me when I was living in relaxment. At that moment, I was thinking to many contents, many things in my mind, and I was thinking at that moment I can speak to everything. And was gone the front of any bigger person, the person who was knowing to lots of the English, which person about I kept to thinking in my mind, he is knowing lots of the English. And when I went the front of that person, really I was scared and I was not able to speak out of any sentences, any words from the tongues, from the minds. What was the big reason for me? I was thinking about of that person, he is knowing much. I am telling you all, my dear, you have not need to think of this matter. He is knowing much, whether they are knowing much. Which about you are fearing about of that things, which first you will have to think that is nothing for me. Then you will be able to overcome from that things. And if you not think about of that things, actually, if you will be thinking about of that things, they are greater than me, then always you will be courageous in speaking the front of that person going. So there is simple a strategy to improving of English speaking. What's right? Which about you are fearing most of the times about of that things. First you understand it is nothing for me. Then you will be able to conquer on that things, and you will be able to speak of anything which you are wanting to explain. And other step more is coming here for speaking to very fluency anything in English. What's right? In the second point, I am advising you all. There is one more points. Due to that, we are unable to speak to anything to very fluent. That is, we are thinking too very slowly. If you will live in a sloth mind, in the dullness mind, then no any idea will come in your mind for speaking. If you will think to very quickly of any points in your mind, then really I am telling of you all those sentences will come out from your mind to very quickly like of any burning fires. As you have seen many times, if you are flaming of any fire, and if in that fire there is having to very few fuels, then it is not burning to very high. And when we put off any oil like of any paraffins, like of any petrols and any types of the oils, if we put in that burning fire, then that burns, is blazed. Just like that I am telling of you, whenever you are speaking of anything, at that moment just you come in fresh mind and you start to think to that content, which content about you are wanting to speak, that content about you keep on thinking and you go to speak of that. You will not be stopped to anywhere in speaking, and no any hinder will come in your life in speaking. If few days like this practice you will do continually in your daily life, sure you will become successful within few days. I assure you, my all dear. Let's apply these things in your life. After that you tell to me, actually sir, you have given me advice of that became right or wrong, because I have applied of this type of the things in my life. When I was thinking slowly, at that moment also my speaking was coming out to very slowly, and I was not able to speak of any sentences to very well. I was thinking of that, my gods, in which place I shall be mistaken in speaking. If I am speaking of this sentence, then that sentence will become right or wrong. Like this matter started to move in my mind. Then really some sentences are made to wrong, some sentences are mistaken in speaking, because I was thinking to very slow motion. Suppose that in third example more I am giving of you, you are a cycle driver. You are knowing that I am driving off any cycle, and when you start to drive off any cycle, if you are going to very fastly, then our balance are made to very well. And if you are driving off that cycle to very slowly and slowly, very slowly you are driving, then automatically your mind, automatically your heart will start to say actually in which place you will be falling down. Why is happening like this? Because our balance is not capturing too nice while driving of that. That's why like this thing is happening in all of us life. And also the same bike, if you drive not more fast, not more slow, then it will be made to exact one balanceful, and you will be able to drive up that cycle to very well. Just in the same way, also there is your speaking. If you are speaking to very slow motion, then really our mind will be attracted. No, our mind will be disattracted. And you will think of that, my God, where will be mistaken of my sentence in speaking. Like this matter will start to move in your mind. So please, you never speak of any sentences with slow motion. If you are speaking of any sentences, then you speak with very quick motion, and you go to speak of that to very well. You do not keep up your mind in left, right, front, back. You keep up your mind's exact consistency. What do you understand the means of consistency? Means you will have to keep up your minds like of gathering in one place. If you keep like this, sure you will become successful in discussing on any topics. If you will be given to very big podium for talking anything, on any topics. Also on that podium you can talk of anything to very well. All the sentence you can speak to titivating. All those word you can insert in that sentence with very quick, with very titivating, and also that sentence significance will come out to very correct. And when your confidence level will be increased like this, then sure or confidence level will start to say you haven't any error in speaking. Then automatically you will be able to speak anything in English, the front each and other, like of any bigger speaker. No any persons has been great in speaking of English, whether in speaking of Hindi. If I shall say I am very experienced in talking of Hindi, it is my eidetic thinkings. If I shall say I am very experienced in speaking of English, also this is my Ninicomp thinking. That is not of my nice thinking. Because in this world, as many peoples are, whether as many peoples had been, in that people also they had new curiosity, had new longing for learning of the language, whether longing to learning of anything, and that longing never over from the life of any persons. Just like that, if you speak of one sentence, then another sentence will be ready the front of you for speaking. If you will speak to second sentence, then the third sentence just will be ready for speaking. Then how many sentences will you speak? If you will try to speak to every day like this, as you are going to speak in your daily life, like that you keep on talking, there will not be lack of any words or sentence in your mind for speaking. I think which tips I have given of you for improving of English speaking, you may have understood to very nice, and you must follow in your daily life. What will you follow in your life? Don't speak in slow motion, don't speak in fast motion. In mid motion you try to speak of anything. Or speaking will come out like of any fluence, and also our confidence level will be developed. Within few days you will start to feel actually I am knowing something to very better in English subject, rather in more any subject which subject you are focusing to most and most in your daily life. Then my all viewers, if this consider, if you have liked, then please you like, share, and please once subscribe for encouraging. Thanks lots my all.